Somebody told me that this lake, Phillips Lake, they were going to build a new boat ramp, like a new road and a new boat ramp. I wonder if this has something to do with it. I wonder if this is it. Boy, to actually get to the actual lake, that would be a long paddle that we just did. But I'm pretty sure that this is the new boat ramp. A couple of guys told me that the road to the old boat ramp right now kind of cuts to a farmer's land, and he doesn't like it. This is interesting. Okay, there's that boat ramp thing again. I'm pretty sure this has got to be it. Let's take a closer look at this. I'm just curious where this road comes off of. Oh, well, the bridge is right behind us, so the highway is probably right here. Well, maybe there is a spot where I can get out. Probably not. Kind of wish this was a boat ramp. I'm about done for this place. Yeah, look at that mess. Wow. A big muddy rocky mess. It's probably a parking lot up there, a parking area. Yeah, I'm not even gonna try and get out. It's very interesting. They're obviously not working on it today. Huh, looks like a bunch of rebar sticking out. It's interesting. Okay, well, there you go. I'm pretty sure this is the future site of the future boat ramp for Phillips Lake. Which I guess is a decent spot. I probably don't have a whole lot of options when dealing with private land. Hey, I just thought I would share this with you guys. So remember last year I did Phillips Lake. I'm just outside of Elwood, and I paddled up to this spot right here, and I mentioned that it looked like they were going to put in a boat ramp. Well, here it is. I was right. This is a new boat ramp. I'm not sure if the other one's still open, because you had to like cut through this guy's like field, and the road was really, really bad. And remember, guys, when I put in, my feet got into that mud. It was such a muddy mess. Anyway, this is brand new. Check out the new boat ramp. Fantastic. It's right off the highway. Got a huge parking area, little bathroom. There's no camping here. There's tons of signs that say no tent camping, no camping of any sorts, no RVs. Here's the road. It's kind of sketchy. What's this yellow thing for? Is this what is this? Campsite form. Interesting. There's a sign right here that says no camping. So where do you... What's this form for? Phillips Canyon. Oh, this is a licensed vehicle park entry fee and campsite registration. Okay, whatever. Anyway, here's the road. It's only a one-lane road. They're all only able to make this a one-laner. Kind of crazy. But yeah, this is beautiful. I am so glad that they did this. Yeah, because when I paddled up right here, there was a bunch of rebar and stuff. I'll post that video on this video. Wow, and then there's the road and it goes right out into the highway. There's no signs on the highway yet for this boat ramp, which I find very interesting. They should put something out there. Maybe it's just a little bit too new for a sign yet. There is somebody out here with their boat. It's Tuesday morning. Let's go over here. Yeah, I think I read this a couple of months ago in the Nebraska Land magazine that they had put this new boat ramp in. Of course, there's already trash. Yeah, nothing. Interesting. Huh. This must have been quite the undertaking to create this. Had to move a lot of dirt. Anyway, if you guys are going to Phillips Canyon Lake, they now have a new boat ramp, and I don't know if the other one's still open. Kind of hope it is, because it was really rugged and kind of cool. So, but I'm sure that farmer appreciates them getting rid of that road. So anyway, you guys, I'll see you later.